Hello friends, welcome to your own channel Botany by Dr. Jaswinder Kaur. Today I am going to discuss 7th part of series 450 most important plant taxonomy MCQs for all competitive exams. Without wasting time, let's start. According to the rule of nomenclature, the name of a species is expressed by two words. The plant name Veronica anagalis aquatica consists of three words. Which one of the following expresses the name correctly in two words? Among these, Veronica anagalis aquatica is the correct way to express the name of the species. First name will be the generic name and the second and third name will be the species name, and they will be joined by a hyphen. Which of the following branches of botany explains the modern systematics on the basis of variation and evolution? Among these, plant systematic is based on the variation and evolution. The compound pollen grain Mesula is characteristic of family Mimosaceae. Mesula are also called polyads. It is 3 to 64 celled and are also present in family Orchidaceae and Asclepiadaceae. The genera Agave and Yucca once placed in two different families, Amaryllidaceae and Liliaceae respectively. However, now both of these genera are transferred to the family Agaveaceae because of their similarity in. They were transferred to family Agaveaceae because of their similarity in the karyotypes. This is strongly supported by evidence obtained in 1930s when it was found that the Agaveaceae are characterized by a very distinctive bimodal karyotype consisting of 5 large and 25 small chromosomes. A specimen or illustration used by the author or designated by him as the nomenclature type. When first time a name is published and an illustration is used by the author and is designated as nomenclature type, it is called as the holotype. Which one of the following is not permissible according to the rules of botanical nomenclature? According to rules of botanical nomenclature, tautonyms are not permissible. In tautonym, the specific name exactly repeats the generic name. Inverse orientation of vascular bundles occurs in. Inverse orientation of vascular bundles occurs in the androgynous flowers, that means the bisexual flowers. Consider the following types of classification: Bentham and Hooker system, linear system, Cronquist system, Hutchinson system. The correct sequence of the chronological order in which these classification systems appeared is, we have to give the chronological order of these systems. First of all, linear system came in 1753 and his work was published in his Species Plantarum. After this, Bentham and Hooker system was published in 1862 in their Genera Plantarum. Then Hutchinson system came in 1959 and the work is published in the Families of Flowering Plants by Hutchinson. And then Cronquist system appeared in 1981 in his work An Integrated System of Classification of Flowering Plants. So the correct chronological sequence among these is the option B. First linear system, then Bentham and Hooker, then Hutchinson, and in last Cronquist system came. The Syconium fruit develops from the inflorescence called Syconus developed from the Hypanthodium inflorescence. Study of endemism is important to a plant taxonomist because the endemic have been subjected to major climatic revolutions. All the individuals with the same genotype constitute a. All individuals having the same genotype constitutes the biotype. Traveler's palm belongs to family. Traveler's palm is the common name of Ravenala medgargarensis and it belongs to family Strelitziaceae. And this is not a true palm. Taxonomic entities of the lowest rank used in numerical taxonomy are termed as, these are termed as the OTUs, that is the operational taxonomic units. Gynobasic style is characteristic of family Lamiaceae. Head inflorescence is found in family. It is found in family Asteraceae. Other name of family Asteraceae is family Compositae. Match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer using the codes given below the list. List 1, first Verticillaster is given, and Verticillaster is present in Leucus. Schizocarp. Schizocarp is present in Coriandrum. Fleshy, oblique and exile presentation. This is characteristic of Solanum. Then Syngenesious anthers are present in family Asteraceae, and here its representative is Helianthus. So the correct option is option A. Which one of the following is a modern approach in plant taxonomy? Among these, numerical taxonomy is the modern approach in plant taxonomy. Consider the following criteria: cell type, level of organization, mode of reproduction, mode of nutrition. The criteria which form the basis of the 5 kingdom classification includes: 5 kingdom classification is based upon the cell type, then the level of organization, and the mode of nutrition. It is not based on the mode of reproduction, so option C is correct, that is 1, 2 and 4. Match list 1 families and list 2 presentations and select the correct answer using the codes given below the list. In list 1 families are given, and in list 2 the presentation they have, we have to match it correctly. Caryophyllaceae is having free central presentation. In Caesalpinaceae, marginal presentation is present. In Solanaceae, exile presentation is present. In Papaveraceae, parietal presentation is present. So correct answer is option B. Lectotype is always based on the isotype. The genus Trapa has been excluded from the family Onageraceae and is given the status of a family on the basis of data obtained from. This genus Trapa is separated from family Onageraceae and placed in its own family Trapaceae on the basis of embryological data. Which one of the following is the most effective tool in species delimitation within the species complex? Among these, DNA fingerprinting is the most effective tool for species delimitation within the species complex. Which one of the following pairs is not correctly matched? We have to find the incorrect match. Monothecous anthers, these are present in hibiscus. Then diadelphous stamens, citrus. No, it is not present in citrus. In citrus, polyadelphous stamens are present. So this is the incorrect match. Tetradynamous stamens present in brassica. This is correct. Pollinia is present in orchis. This is also correct. So incorrect is only citrus because it is having the polyadelphous stamens. Which one of the following ranunculaceous genera was raised to the level of a family on the basis of serological and embryological character? Among these, Paeonia is separated on the serological and embryological characters from Ranunculaceae and placed in its own family, Paeoniaceae. If Sesambrium murale is transferred to the genus Diplotaxis with the new binomial combination Diplotaxis murale lineus DC, then Sesambrial murale lineus will be known as, it is known as the basionym, because the new name Diplotaxis murale is based on this old name. So this old name is the basionym. The principles of which of the following taxonomic methods are also known as Neo-Adansonian principles? Principles of taxometrics and cladistics are known as Neo-Adansonian principles. So option A is correct. Cotton belongs to family Malvaceae. Assafoetida is obtained from a plant belonging to family. It is obtained from Ferula asafoetida, and it belongs to family Umbelliferae or family Apiaceae. Centrospermae is regarded as natural order of angiosperms. All except two of its families contain the pigments that are collectively called betalins. Some of the families of the order are enumerated below, which two families lack betalins. Among these, in Amaranthaceae, betalins are present. In Azoaceae, betalins are present. In Chenopodiaceae also, betalins are present. In Caryophyllaceae and Mollugenaceae, betalins are absent. So the correct option is the correct code among these is option D, that is 4 and 5, in which betalins are absent. Which one of the following plants have ovary superior, monocarpellary with single carpel, and unilocular with single locule with several ovules on marginal placenta? This is characteristic feature of family Fabaceae, and among this representative genus of family Fabaceae is the Pisum sativum. Botanical name of Adu is Prunus persica, and it belongs to family Rosaceae. Consider the following statements with reference to serotaxonomy. The antigen components of plants represent characteristics of taxonomic importance. Both structural and reserved proteins can be used for the classification of plants. Proteins of the same group from different organs are always comparable. Which of these statements is correct? We have to find the correct statement among these. Let's read again. The antigen components of plants represent characteristics of taxonomic importance. This is correct statement. Both structural and reserved proteins can be used for the classification of plants. This is also correct because both type of proteins are used for the classification of plants. Then proteins of the same group from different organs are always comparable. This is the incorrect statement because not all the proteins but the storage proteins are most amenable or the comparable for taxonomic studies, followed by pollen proteins. So among these the correct statement is only statement 1 and statement 2. So here option B is correct, that is 1 and 2. Taxonomic significance of allopolyploids is because allopolyploids are important because allopolyploids is an infraspecific phenomena and ploids are distinct in their morphology and characteristic. That is why they are taxonomically significant. Consider the following floral characteristics. Petals are 5 and free. Stamens are indefinite and fused in one group. Gynoecium is bicarpellary. Which of these are the characteristics of the family Malvaceae? Among these, petals are free and 5. This is characteristic of Malvaceae. Stamens are indefinite and fused in one group. This is also the characteristic of family Malvaceae. And in Malvaceae, gynoecium is not bicarpellary, it is multicarpellary or polycarpellary gynoecium. So only statement 1 and 2 are correct. Botanical name of groundnut is, groundnut's botanical name is Arachis hypogea. Consider the following floral characteristics. Spirally arranged floral parts on the torus, inferior ovary, actinomorphic corolla, stamens many. According to Hutchinson concept, primitive angiospermous flowers are characterized by, in primitive angiospermous plants, spiral arranged floral parts on the torus are present. Then inferior ovary is not the character of primitive angiospermous flower. Then actinomorphic corolla, this is a characteristic. Then the stamens many stamens is also the characteristic of primitive angiospermous flowers. So among these only statement 2, 3 and 4 are correct. So option D is correct here. Which of the following clusters of family is identified due to the presence of zygomorphic flower and bicarpellary gynoecium? Zygomorphic flowers and bicarpellary gynoecium. These are present in family Acanthaceae, Fumaraceae and Lamiaceae. In a binomial system of nomenclature, when there are three words used for a species name, at that time the two words of the specific epithet are joined or hyphened. So this is the correct answer. We have done this in earlier question also. Sugarcane is member of family Poaceae. Its other name is family Gramineae. Book Die Naturlichen Pflanzenfamilien was written by. This book was written by Engler and Prantl. With reference to botanical nomenclature in type methods. Type is for the genus. This is the correct answer. In type method, type is for the genus. The family in which members show transition between superior to inferior ovary is. This transition of superior to inferior ovary is seen in members of family Rosaceae. Flowers complete, actinomorphic with gynobasal disc, sepals 5 with valvate estivation, petals 5 with imbricate estivation, stamens indefinite, polyadelphous, ovary superior, carpels 5 or more, syncarpous multilocular ovules arranged on axile placentation, and style single. In which family a plant of this description can be found? This type of plants can be found in family Rutaceae. Which one of the following is an example of the fruit type Acne? Acne type of fruit is present in family Asteraceae, and among these sunflower is member of family Asteraceae. Consider the following statements. The International Code of Botanical Nomenclature prescribes that every taxon or group of plants can bear only one correct name. A name could be applied to one or more than one group of plants. The rank of species is basic in nomenclature. Which of the following statements given above are correct? The International Code of Botanical Nomenclature prescribes that every taxon or group of plants can bear only one correct name. This is a correct statement. Then a name could be applied to one or more than one group of plants. This is also correct. The rank of species is basic in nomenclature. This is also correct. So among these, all the three statements are correct. So correct option is option A, that is 1, 2 and 3. The most primitive type of stamens are found in. Degeneria. It belongs to family Degeneraceae, and it is the most primitive and endemic to Fiji. Which of the following have been more often used than any other group of plant substances in chemotaxonomic studies? In chemotaxonomic studies, mostly flavonoids are used. Flavonoids are the largest group of naturally occurring phenols and most often studied in chemotaxonomy. Which one of the following systems of plant classification is not phylogenetic? Among these, Bentham and Hooker system is not phylogenetic because it is a natural system, and Engler and Prantl system, Hutchinson system and Tata-Jahn system, these are the phylogenetic systems. Which one of the following plants does not belong to family Euphorbiaceae? Among these, Abutilon indicum belongs to family Malvaceae, not to family Euphorbiaceae, and Eclypha indica, Manihot esculenta, and Ricinus communis. All these three belongs to family Euphorbiaceae. Automatically typified names of suborders end in. Names of suborders end in INEA. This is a correct option, option B. So that's all for today. If you found this video useful, then please comment, like, subscribe and share with your friends. Rest of the questions I will discuss in next video. Until next time, goodbye.